I'm here just to let you know that Cancer Research UK has funded a complex study that involved a whole series of cruel and archaic experiments on rats and mice. Nude mice were injected with tumour cells from people with mild lung cancer. They had to ensure the growth of the tumour inside them for 3 weeks, while some of them were given treatments to reduce the severity of the tumours. Another group of genetically modified mice were chemically poisoned for around 6 months so that they would develop cancer. The creation of GM mice generally involves several painful and invasive procedures, including castration, major surgery, and ear or tail mutilation. These unwanted mice are often killed by being gassed or having their necks broken. Rats were subject to the same chemical poisoning regime as the GM mice. After about 5 months, some of them were given substances designed to target the tumours. The researchers justify using rats and mice by arguing that human tissue samples can only provide information on the end stage of the disease. But genetic testing of information from cancer patients and healthy human volunteers provides far more directly relevant information for comparison. The former director of the National Cancer Institute has stated, "We have cured mice in cancer for decades, and it simply won't work on humans." Currently, 9 out of 10 experimental drugs fail in clinical studies because we cannot accurately predict how they will behave in people, and these are just all based on cruel animal studies. Please make the connection. This charity shop is using your charitable money to test on animals that do not give results, that do not cure cancer, they just suffer. It just causes suffering for other sentient beings. Shame, shame on CRUK!
Shame, shame, shame on CRUK!
Shame, shame, shame on CRUK!
Shame, shame, blood on your hands!
Blood, blood, blood on your hands!
Blood, blood, blood on your hands!
Blood, torture! Animals die! You buy! Animals die! You buy! Animals die! You buy! Animals die! It's not science! It's violence! It's not science! It's violence! It's not science! It's violence!
You can all pretend that we're not here and what we're saying isn't true. You've all got a conscience. There will come a point in your lives when your conscience will kick in and you will realise, like we have, that what we've been contributing to in so many ways is the needless violence, torture, suffering and eventual murder to animals who are as sentient as we are. We are not the superior species that we think we are.
Science!
It's violence!
It's not 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 science!
It's violence!
Animals want to live!
Just like us!
Animals feel pain!
Just like us!
Animals deserve to live!
Just like us!
Animals love their lives!
Just like us!
Animals feel pain!
Just like us!
Animals want to live!
Just like us!
It's not science!
It's violence!
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 It's not science!
It's violence!